Have you ever thought about changing the position of the Windows 11 Notification Center, Notification Pop-ups, and Action Center? In this video, we're gonna do just that. We will move the Notification Center to the middle of the screen for better visibility. Pop-up notifications will also appear at the center of the screen. Not only that, but we will also redesign the Action Center for better aesthetics. So, to do that, we need to install Windhawk. Download it from the link below and install it. To customize the Action and Notification Center, install the Notification Styler mod. Then, go to the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the one provided in the video description. To change the position of the Action Center, install the Shell Flyout Positions mod. Click on the Settings tab and set the position to center. To move the pop-up notifications to the center, install the Customize Windows Notifications Placement mod. Then, go to its Settings tab and change the position to center. That's it. I hope you found it easy. If you did, drop a like and don't forget to comment down below. It really helps. See you in the next one.